Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually start earning money on Binance. So basically guys, as you can see here, there is this option of earn on Binance. It has multiple functions and we will go through each one of these functions. So first of all, let's go on earn and see what we have here. First of all, as you can see, there is Binance earn, so let's click on it. There is here some ways to earn through Binance. So simple earn, there is 4 ways of earning on Binance, which are simple earn. So this one, deposit and earn daily rewards. Here there is the stacking, so you stack some money. Here is farming, so liquidity farming, swap farming, large pool, and dual investments. And else there is also this simple earn, which are one of the composites of this Binance earn. As you can see here, as we saw before, liquidity farming, Binance pool. There's also Ethereum 2.1 stacking for earning as well. So if you want to stake Ethereum from now, you can start stacking it. There is also this launchpad, which is like tokenless platform. Also there is multiple ways of earning, so let's go for example here. Binance tokenless platform, buy or earn new tokens directly on Binance, current funds locked. Here you find some informations, and here is the launchpad, which is finished. So whenever there is a new launch pool, you will find it in here. The next launch pool are these two. So the token name is HFT, which is will be in 30 days, which is session end in like, oh, it already ended, which is in 2022 12/1. So whenever there is a new thing to be launched, it will be here in this page, so make sure to check that out. So yeah guys, this is the earn function in Binance. Thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.